Traveling Tyler style. We're in Nyon, Switzerland. I didn't know anything about Nyon until I got here. Today we're gonna try to conquer it. And I'm rolling with Ro again. The other day we did breakfast in Switzerland, lunch in France, dinner in Italy. Today we're gonna keep it a little more simple and we're gonna see what Nyon is all about. I think I'm saying it right. Nyon. We're gonna go to the chateau. We're gonna check out the city center, the water. We're gonna learn as much as we possibly can today about Nyon, Switzerland. All right, Ro, what's your opinion of Nyon so far? We've been here for like 2 weeks. Haven't done any videos. But what do you think?
Quaint little town, lots of shops, lots of restaurants. It's where we've been eating all week.
Yeah, it's about 20 kilometers or so outside of Geneva. It's close, but it's just one of those places that people don't really go to. At least nobody I know.
No, you have to be told about it.
Sorry, these sunglasses are kind of ridiculous. I'm in a never-ending battle to have decent sunglasses. But either way, I think it's really cool. We're hoping the weather holds up. As long as it does, we will conquer Nyon, Switzerland. What was the official name of this again? I think it's Nyon Castle.
No. Chateau de Nyon.
Chateau de Nyon. Here we go. This is where we're at. One of the tourist attractions. Doesn't sound like you can go inside. We can? It sounds like we can go inside. Let's go check this out. Oh, it's a museum.
Je vais te demander où est-ce qu'il se trouve, comme ça on va voir. Moi je vais tester, appuyer dessus, voir s'il s'ouvre.
Not quite sure what I'm looking at here. Oh, this is amazing. Wow. This is Chateau de Nyon. It's one of the main tourist attractions. I mean, it says it's a museum. I thought it was a castle. Maybe it's a chateau. I don't really know. But the view's incredible. Yeah, totally sick. think this is the Roman ruins, if I had to guess. Speculating a little bit, but that's what my gut tells me.
Indian restaurant. Hotel.
Yeah, I'm digging it. We were out here on a Saturday and it was really, really busy. Today's a Wednesday. It's not quite as busy. I think it's Wednesday, right?
Yes, it
Yeah. I decided not to edit this video. Typically I do videos and then override them and put music behind them and narrate it. I'm not gonna do that here. It's gonna be El Natural. Let's see the prices at this restaurant. Let's get an idea. All right, this is the restaurant El Azhar. Lebanese, okay, I didn't see that one coming. Let's see here. I don't know. Mixed grill, 35 Swiss francs. It's like 38 US dollars. That's expensive, but about what it's like in the US now with inflation. But Switzerland is very expensive. Don't get it twisted. If you want the real experience of Nyon, this is the video to watch. This is as real as it gets. Parking is always difficult downtown in the city center area, but they do have parking lots where you can get free parking for an hour. So that's what we do. We park for an hour, then pull out, and pull right back in, and park for another hour. Working the system. Just playing, we've never done that. Look at this. Look at this. How cool is this? I mean, come on. You can't tell me this isn't cool.
Oui. Viens, on rentre.
I come to Switzerland every May for a trade show called eBase, a business jet show. I've been doing it for 10 years or more, but I'm not really the biggest fan of Geneva in itself. I mean, it's okay, it's all right. But what I do is I stay in a city that I'm not familiar with, that's within an hour drive of Geneva, and I make the commute every day. And I pick a city that I've never heard of. So this year it's Nyon. It's like, 30-minute drive or so each morning. It's not bad. And I like it. I actually like it more than Geneva. Seriously. 2 years ago, I stayed in Annecy, France, across the border every day. Last year, I stayed at Lausanne. That was cool. This year, Nyon. Next year, who knows? Maybe Lyon, France. All options on the table. Nyon really is great, though. It definitely is. Think we're gonna make it up this hill, Ro?
Yeah, we'll make it up this one.
Okay. Whew. The worst part is I just walked down this hill the wrong way. What kind of bonehead am I? I like these buildings. Some condos, pink condos. Don't see that very often. I don't know. It's pretty rare. Or I guess they call them flats.
You definitely found the town.
Hmm?
I said you definitely found the town.
Yeah. All right, Ro, what's your opinion? Would you rather stay in Geneva or Nyon?
Nyon.
Yeah, me too. I agree. Not hating on Geneva, just saying.
No, just this is more quaint.
Yeah. It's a better vibe.
You can understand the streets, how to drive on them.
Yeah.
It's not 40 different arrows.
Exactly. City center Geneva is actually a pretty difficult place to drive.
Yeah. Maneuvering through
Yeah.
it is not easy.
Make a wrong turn, you might have a oncoming train coming at you.
Absolutely. We've experienced that.
That was a train, right? Or was that a tram, or what was that?
It was a tram.
Yeah, there you go. Train, tram, potato, potato.
All I know is it could have killed us.
Yeah.
The sidewalk came in handy.
Yeah.
American market.
Really?
Yeah.
American market, okay. Wonder what we can get here.
American
Captain Crunch. That's interesting. Let's see how American it really is. All right. Let's see. Reese's Pieces, creamy peanut butter. Yeah, that's pretty American. I'm gonna give that
Look
a
at that.
10. Hershey syrup. Yeah, that's definitely American. Quaker's oatmeal.
Bowl and basket. That's a
Of course, the supermarket's completely empty. They're like, nah, we don't want American stuff here. All right. I think they have. I think they have a Bud Light in here. Prime, man. Prime's everywhere. Crazy. Yeah, we are the only person in the American market. All right, we're trying to pay for spot 66. And they keep saying not accepted. So I'm recording this video in case we get a parking ticket. I'm gonna show the attendant that we tried. We just can't figure out this machine.
Again.
Doesn't even take our.
Doesn't take a freaking.
That's a real Swiss franc, right?
Yes, it is.
Let's see.
It's
Yeah, see, that's real money.
What did it do?
All right. Story of my life.
Hey, this is,
Yeah, I want a beer. Been working hard today, Ro.
Okay.
Walking around recording. I deserve a beer.
Then let's get you a beer.
Hard work pays off, boys and girls. Welcome to my world, traveling Tyler style. This is what it's all about. "275 days a year I'm on the road. I live on the road. This is just another day at the office." Let's see.
Get something to drink here.
How much are the beers? I'll try to be cheap, but if they're like 25 bucks or something.
I don't know.
I don't even see beers on the menu.
It's a bar.
Oh, it is?
Guys sitting there having coffee out there.
Funky Monkey. This place is good. What is happening up there? Jeez. The mission is to find a beer.
This place has beer.
Do they?
Yeah, it has a bar.
There's a bar here?
Look inside.
Where's it say beer? You sure? Ah, Fisherman's Pub. The menu on the wall doesn't look appealing. Looks like it's closed. Dang it. This is what I got. Nyon, Switzerland. Traveling Tyler style. Come along with me. Subscribe to my channel. I'm on a mission. I'm on my way to 100 countries. I live on the road. This is what I do. I could use your support. That's what I'm talking about. I'm out.